gotta be crazy.
She attack.
And
She attack.
because it's when it said, you come on, you're running in the form. Running in the form, people. It's not stush in the bush. You're in the wrong party. You think it's stush in the bush.
Banana. Yeah.
But I know you're gonna like this one. We're just gonna warm things up and later we're gonna get crazy in just a few minutes. You ready? Come on! Oh, what a way you're at. What a way everybody does a stare a lot. Oh, what a way you're sexy. Can't keep your eyes on me. What a way you're flow. Happy man, them a say, oh me, oh my. And them a free this comes number one panelist. The girl them a wine waist like can't resist. Watch out for this, so them a dead spirit. Mash up the place, but you want up with this. You ready to get loose? Come around, you know you're the talk of the town, yeah. Whoop whoop, we run, come around, you know you're the talk of the town, yeah. Whoop whoop, we run, come around, you know you're the talk of the town, yeah. Whoop whoop, we run, come around, come around, come around, come around. They shown over Rush and the answer one touch, make a girl climb over the wall. Brass hot, hotter than fireball. Whoop whoop, you're not ill at all. Good feeling, calm in my yeah. You touch the stuff in my yeah. Never make me hold body bubble, I'm in nose here. Oh, let this brat out. No, go elementary school. Oh, let the cat out. Oh, let the rats out. I see I keep on it. Because that you really want to sit down. own you. Yeah. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you got the moves.
Move right.
You got the moves, like that. You got the moves, like that. No need to try to control you. Wanna give my eyes and now, you got the moves. You got the moves. You got the moves. Okay, Bella, we're going to show you how to dance like a Jamaican. Yes, and this one in Jamaica, we call it the sit-down. So you need to know how to do the Jamaican sit-down like this.
Pan it.
Right? You got to know how to sit.
Pan it.
Okay, but you have to sit with attitude, because Jamaican girls have attitude.
Pan it.
So girls, let's show her how to do the Jamaican sit-down now. Sit down.
Pan it.
Show her the Jamaican sit-down, because we're full of...
Sure.
Sit down now. Now when you do the sit down, okay, when you do the sit down, you need to pout your lip a little bit like this. There we go. You have to have the attitude, and then you're gonna look behind you, okay? So it's like this. You need to look upset-ish, right? And you look behind you while you do it, right? So the Jamaican sit down incorporates with a little bit of...
Sit down.
You gotta know how to do that. There we go. Cock up your booty, Kaya. Rotate it like you. Your body to the full of, you're full of stamina. Sit down, like you. Cock up your booty, like you. Rotate it like you. Your body to the body. All right. I see you got the sit down part. Now we're going to teach you how to bounce like a ball now. You're going to bounce like a little ball, eh? Okay? You ready? Bounce like a ball and boom, 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 boom. See you tight overall and bounce like a ball and boom, 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 boom. Your body tight overall and boom, boom, boom. You know what? She's catching all the Jamaican dances. I've got one more for you. When you go back home, you're going to show your Italian friends how to do the puppy tail.
Be careful.
Okay, this one is called the puppy tail. So you're going to stick the booty out, yes, stick it out,
Puppy
stick it
tail.
out. Then you're going to arch your back a little bit like that. And you're going to shake it like that, like a puppy. You know what puppy is, right? Puppy tail, hey, puppy tail, puppy tail, hey, puppy tail, puppy tail, puppy tail, puppy tail, puppy
it, man.
Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Watch your brother, they work visa. Watch out. Stop it, she has church in the morning.